Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. Whenever you are watching this, hopefully you're having a great day. We're going to be talking about severe weather this week. Our new little layout for recording. Up here, we have your day 2, which we'll switch over to day 3 later. And we currently have our day 2 stuff right here, like our your locations in and around. Alright, let's go ahead and hop over here to. Okay, it's being laggy today. Let's hop over here to your 2 out of 5, which is in this yellow. Extending from the Texas-Mexico border all the way up past Tulsa and Oklahoma City. And in there we could see large hail and potentially damaging winds. Let's go ahead and talk about it now. Thunderstorms capable of large hail, some very large gorilla hail, possible Thursday afternoon through Friday. I don't know if we'll be live, however, subscribe so you'll be able to know when if we're live. We're not going to talk all about that. However, we do see this very, very expansive 1 out of 5 that goes from the Texas border into the Red River into the Kansas, Missouri, Arkansas, and Oklahoma border, as well as the Missouri-Illinois border, and just ending at Illinois, like right by the Indiana-Illinois border. So this is a very expansive risk, which if we want to find out how large it is, all I have to do is go here. Straight up, it's 1,000 miles. 1,000 miles. 1,073.12 miles. And your slight risk, conveniently placed, is 600.58 miles even. Whoa. We're going to get into some timing here in a minute. However, if I call out your area or you're in the area list in the slight or marginal risk, slight is being yellow here, and we got to fix my camera, so I'm sorry. If I call out your city, Abilene, Fort Worth, Tulsa, Oklahoma City, Norman, Shawnee, Lawton, Wichita Falls, Denton, Plato, Sweetwater, Angelino, Brady, Big Lake. I'm trying to get cities in Oklahoma. Muskogee, Henrietta, Okmulgee, Wagner, Bixby, Tahlequah, Sallisaw, Stigler, Wilburton, McAllister, Ada, Seminole, Shawnee, Durant, Ardmore, Duncan, Lawton, Frederick, which we do have a radar here, and we will be getting a radar in Durant soon, which is good. Now let's take a look here at weather models for it. I'm sorry, y'all. Alright, let's take a look at your tornado composite. I had to fix that. Your supercell composite, I mean. And we're going to go with the greater area of severe weather, which does appear to be right here. Okay. So there are chances of tornadoes in the area. We're going to go ahead and go over to Cape photographs. I should have done that. I'm genuinely curious. You're at Wednesday 23Z. And so this is going to be Thursday afternoon here that we see some of this stupid stuff happening. Let's go over to your dew points. Right now, as of Wednesday at 4:38 Central, your dew points are this. Now, as we get close into the event, you can see, that was stupid. Right here is a cold front dry line. That is your cold front. Because you can see dew points before it was there were in the 60s, 65, and then once it passed, it went to 50s, 40s, and so and so. So when this cold front passes you, you will be okay. I did not click on that. And if we take a look at reflectivity, now this is simulated, so it may not be the most accurate. We go into this event, and it looks to be a squall, and then everything picks up. And I'm going to mention, when these storms first fire off, they will be, you can tell where everything is placed, literally. And your storms are going to fire off like within this area here. And your storms will progress on into this area, which we'll talk about in a little later. So your storms, you got a squall line. And vroom, you got let's take a look at regional. Okay, there we are. Now we can actually go into it here and see what type of storms are in this area. I may not have chosen the right one though. But yeah, I did. So right here, line. If we do have prefrontals, they'll be within this area. I want to point out, and I don't want to compare like this, but it is what it is at the end of the day. I'm going to go take you guys off to the trough here so I can show you guys something. We are kind of on the subject of Friday. However, we're taking a look at this. This is going to be your Friday jet stream. And this right here is April 27th, 2011. I'm going to trace that, do that, and then come back. Okay, so that's how it was set up. And here you are. Your black line is your jet stream from 411, and they are both very similar. However, now this is the good news. I do not think that we will see a 411 Friday. The reason is not enough ingredients to support this big, big, big tornado outbreak with a bunch of EF5s and EF4s. Now, it is possible because of how similar they are, we may see one or two tornadoes that are very strong. However, I just do not see another 411 down here. This is one of the worst days in weather, if I'm talking at a point. Alright, now let's talk about the day 3. I did forget to go over and talk about all of your categorical stuff, so let's do it now. We're going to turn on counties, so if you want to know where you live. Let's start out with your tornado. A small 2% right within there. I'm not circling. 5%. And your hail, 5%. Your brown, 15% yellow, and significant large hail, 2.5 plus, in the black hatched area. Okay, now let's go over day 3. We are now at day 3, which you can see our new day 3 is up there, and over here is our areas, which I'm going to call out. And a 3 out of 5 enhanced risk will be Jackson, Greenville, and Vicksburg, Mississippi, as well as Monroe and Alexandria, Louisiana. Alright, let's go ahead and zoom in here. Whoa, I did not mean to zoom in this far. This is your 3 out of 5. Sorry if I don't troll, okay? 2 out of... I at least gotta make it better than that. Two out of 5, and your 1 out of 5. So these are your areas. Yellow is going to be your 2 out of 5. Your big brown is your 3 out of 5, and your dark green is your 1 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Alright, we're going to call out some names. Greenville, Vicksburg, Jackson, Mississippi. Not just Mississippi. Monroe and Alexandria, Louisiana, as well as Winsboro, Winfield, Reston, Bastrop, and Natchios, I think, and Jackson. And more in Mississippi: Oxford, Clarksdale, Cleveland, Glenda, Winona, Greenwood, Indiana, Greenville, Canton, Forest, Jackson, Vicksburg, Hazelhurst, Brookhaven, Natchez, Macomb, Mississippi. And in Arkansas, DeWitt, Warren, Monticello, McGehee, and Crossett. Alright, let's take a look at the weather models after the convective. So here's your 1 out of 5, which is directly above me. Your categorical. And here, this is a high-end enhanced risk, so it may go moderate. Alright, let's talk about the in advance here, because why not? Alright, we're going to go ahead and go over to your Supercell Composite. As far as it'll go into Mississippi, we'll have a video out tomorrow. And again, Cape will be forecasted at 2674. And I'm going to pull this up. They look eerily similar. Now, I'm not going to go full on until tomorrow with this one. So that's what I'm going to show you guys for now. We will go way more in depth tomorrow. yeah, I think that'll be this video. If you did enjoy, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you guys like this layout that we got here. You know, your layout like this and whatever. And subscribe so you get notified when I upload. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.